I just did the laundry like yesterday. So first I need to go clean that up. And then I'm gonna shower and then do some homework. Let's go!
I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. Oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs. With our best moves we get groovy. My, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us.
I got this big ass package from Costco that my dad ordered, but I didn't realize until now. I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of like something, it looks like something leaked, so I want to like open it and see what's up. Just to make sure like it's nothing like serious. I think the detergent that we ordered kind of like broke or like leak or something. Okay, this is bad. Yeah, so I kind of just like left this stuff here. I'm gonna get rid of it like tomorrow or something. And like my meeting, I joined it, but no one is here yet. And then I just like put everything inside the box over there. Yeah, and here's my dinner. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm having like watermelon for dinner, and I like to salt it to bring out the sweetness. But like my friends think it's really weird, but I don't, maybe it's an Indian thing. I'm not sure, but it just really hits with the salt. If you haven't tried it, you should.
Just let them think that we are crazy when we drive around in our Mercedes. We're out all night or at home lazy. We're living like we're in the 80s. My, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us.
I'm gonna just like put us yapping.
I mean, yeah, you could try out that. You just shout out Zaina's Corner on all platforms, on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
Got it. It's kind of dark, but I just finished my classes and it's like 7:15ish, and I have to take the bus home, but there's no buses until like 8:15ish, so I'm just gonna go play badminton until then. My bus is pulling up anytime now, so just gonna go wait at the bus stop.
started looking for where it could be. I ran from kisses in the 3rd grade, dated a girl in middle school for 10 days. I thought it would never come my way.
I just finished one of my meetings and my friend said one of my Costco packages got dropped off, so I'm gonna go get it from her home. I got the packages, but I had the meetings, so I just left them here. And it's like 9:30 right now, and I'm really tired. One of my friends gave me this like face pack thing. It's just like a peel-off mask, and I really want to use it. And it says to like keep it on for like 15 to 20 minutes. And I know I'm just gonna like watch a TV show or something for the next like 30 minutes to just relax for a bit before I go to sleep. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna pass out.
But I found love in the Middle Ages. It ain't always fireworks, and it comes in stages. It takes courage and trust in each other. I know I found it. What true love is, it's love in the Middle Ages. Love in the Middle Ages.
I walked outside expecting it to be like hot as hell, but it's kind of nice and cool today. I don't know why. It's like, I live in Houston, so it's kind of hard to have a nice weather. I made it to campus, and I should be studying for my test, which is tomorrow. And he said he uploaded a review video, but I don't have access to it, so I don't know what's happening with that. But people in my group me sent in the chat these, I guess, study kits. Someone made a exam 1 Quizlet study kit, and someone also made a study kit on Thea. So I'm just gonna study with that and hope for the best. Why is she silent?
Another night, another fight.
The anticipation of just waiting there is stagnant for a moment. You're initially in a rush and you're constantly in movement, and then you just have to stop and wait.
That's also philosophical. Okay. None of you were super high, except me. But in a different way than I intended. This is supposed to be representative of an elevator in an office.
Lunch with Neha. Oh my god. Hey.
We're walking to class.
Sadly, yeah, I have one class left. And then a meeting.
Must be nice.
I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me.
Look at my cute little pumpkin from the pumpkin painting social.
Cute.
Thank you.
Yes. Cute.
Nancy putting her content creating skills to use.
Oh my gosh. Trisha.
Wonder if I changed my number. Would you wanna know? It's the coldest kind of comfort that we could talk, but we don't. We spent summer
test was interesting. It wasn't bad. I don't know what I made on it yet, but I think I did pretty good. But I have some assignments due for tonight, so after dinner, that's what I'm gonna do.
Is it miscommunication? Silence in between. One more awkward conversation where we don't say what we mean. We've been distant, waiting on the ice to break. Can we fix this if we get out of our own way? Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we tried.
Right, let's go. We'll record the content. This is so awkward to do.
Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a downhill dive. Can't call you cruel for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine. Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we try. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a downhill dive. Can't call you cruel for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine.
This is my lunch slash breakfast slash today's food, I guess. We got some honey. I just unboxed all the packages that I got over the week, and this is all there is in it. Oh my god. Have a couple meetings. Or actually, yeah, I do have a couple meetings, so I'm gonna go do that right now. But I think I'm gonna end this vlog here.